Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Happy New Year! Right now I have this atmosphere, I have this festive vibe and I'm really eager to the new year and this celebration, all this delicious food and stuff. And I just presumed that this is the best opportunity, the best time for me to make a New Year DIY. As always, because I have a bazillions of videos on my YouTube channel and you can see links on them popping up right now, up right here, or just by scrolling my YouTube channel where I'm trying the good variety of DIYs and basically just trying new hobbies. That's why I decided to record for you this video and make free but also one extra DIYs. I was just searching for the Pinterest for ideas and I got some of them that I was inspired to do and just decided to record them along the way and share it with you because my channel is dedicated to motivate you to try something new because I'm as an artist, I'm just...
I'm a scout of artistism, okay?
And before we get started, I want to just remind you that we have adorable buttons below this video, subscribe and thumbs up, and I also will so appreciate if you will give your feedback in the comments below. And let's just start. As I mentioned, I was scrolling Pinterest as always for ideas and I came across with 3 ideas actually. The first one is diamond painting, the second one is making my own wreath for my room as a decoration, and the third one is to make my own bubble. So the first thing that I started to do is to make a diamond painting, but I presume to make it even more better, it would be a Christmas tree that could stand on my desk and just appeal to me, you know. I started to do it from the garden and that's it. It's actually standing just here. I need to take this up. This is a Christmas tree. Of course, this is not a green one because haven't you seen my room? Have you? Like, my room is a pastel color. I just really enjoy pastel things, you know. I would like to share that. Santa, I asked to buy me some keychains and I had already had Eva Cuckoo. Have you heard about these keychains? They are adorable. I like them so much. And this is pastel, of course. And my classmate actually gifted me another one. And you know what? There was a pink one color and it was, you know, kind of a box. It was a mystery box, so you would open that and see what did you got, and I got a pink one, and pink is one of my favorite colors, so I have like them. So this is a really good reason because I would like to have a collection of them. Definitely the pastel sparkle Christmas tree is the ultimate thing I could put, you know. Here we are. We don't have any girland here, but it's just a pretty thing that stands. It doesn't have any propose or something.
Hello, just to make guys, I was literally making it for 2 hours in a row and it kind of looks really crappy. I'm going to fix that. I'm making a stand right now for it, so it will stand. I was thinking, presuming that it will work, but actually it's falling down. So I need to add something here, and after a couple I will make the most, I guess, interesting part. It's to clear crystals. So yeah, also my hair is really dirty, kind of crappy.
Hi guys, I would like to make an update on our Christmas tree. I have already carved that and right now I'm cleaning. Oh, what's going on? It's broke. No, I need to clean that. So right now I'm cleaning bubbles here. I don't have such big crystals like on that kind of... Oh no, my clays, no. Anyways, I'm using a clay gun. I don't have such kind of diamonds like on that photos, so I would like to add here maybe some stones or some glitter that I have here. Right now I'm just cleaning bubbles I mentioned before. And yeah, let's continue. I don't know also what to add. I'm just recording a hyperlapses, so
let's continue that. And yeah, I tried to make a little bit comforting. I don't know, can you see the lights here or not? And actually I have another light here. It's so bright. So yeah, do you like the atmosphere? I definitely like it. Sparkles, and we are gonna put it here. Hello. Hello guys, how are you? Sorry about my hairs, I'm just really numb. So I made my Christmas tree. I was not able to record it a lot, like I was just making hyperlapses, and it actually broke while I was doing that. You can see I clayed a stick there, and this is not the result because today, according to the weather, because of the weather, our school was dismissed. How unfortunate. Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Uh-oh. Anyways, the Gaza ones is like really wild. They can just blow you. They are making me shivering. Anyways, I went to the store and bought some crystal stickers. So right now we are gonna make the last part, I guess, and the most beautiful ones. We are gonna clay these stickers there, and it will be actually the Christmas tree I was pursuing to do. So yeah, let's do this. Hello guys, and I made our first DIY. I made our tree. Just look at that. It looks really cute. Yes, it's kind of a bit creepy here in the margins, but anyways, it gives the vibes. Like really. I really like how does it look like, and it will stand on my shelf because actually it doesn't match to the color of our Christmas tree, because we are making it in, you know, kind of gold red colors, and my room is pink and pastel, so it will definitely not match. But anyway, so let's continue with another one. And this is a really good idea as a postcard if you are pursuing to do just painting, just to make it on a paper. It's actually really good, and you can draw wherever you want to, just using everything you have. Like it was pretty easy. Anyways, so the second one idea, and it managed to be, I guess, the most beautiful one. It's my own ref. It actually was also not green one because, as I mentioned, I like pastel colors. I found out, so I decided to do that. Let's watch. So I actually made our ref, and it looks like that. I really like how does it looks like, and I really like the combination of colors, but we have one problem here that I messed up. I chose a really thin carton, and I'm feeling guilty because of that, because I had two options and it's not really relevant. So you can see like it's shaking, but it's already clean, so I can't take it off. So we are just gonna let it be like that. And this is about it. And let's just put the lights on. I really like how this managed to be, and I actually really like this part. This is one of my favorite one. And you know, I'm that kind of person who just, you know, I do not know why I like all these sparkle things. It's just my kind of thing. I do not really know why. Actually, I'm really doubting, am I a 15 or not, because I like all this childish stuff, and maybe it can seem a bit full, but anyways, this is my specialty. Actually, I'm waiting right now for my dance classes. I'm sacrificing my time for you guys. You should appreciate that. So actually, it should hang out on my door, but it's broke, and I need to clay this right now with clay. But anyways, we're still having that, and it's just decorates my room as well.
Okay, let's switch to the another one, and I guess that you like this idea. I'm really recommending you to try that. And the last one idea, it's pretty easy. I was making that just in one night because I just needed to do the third thing, because making only two things would be so short. So it's just my own bubble, and I haven't done it yet. I found out the old bubble, the old ornament, and just decided to draw a Grinch here. That's about it. I will put a small knit here and just hang on it in our Christmas tree. It actually was pretty good. And I presume that I will do several of them, but I just found only one. Maybe I will do it later, not on the camera, but if you would like, it's a really good idea for us a gift. You can draw a portrait of the person you love or the person you are giving gratitude to. You can draw whatever you want to, actually. And yeah, decorate your Christmas tree with your own ornaments. It would be really valuable. Hello everybody, and this is the last one DIY that we are gonna do. And actually this is pretty easy. So our last DIY is a bubble. Why my laptop is so loud? So I found this huge bubble with this huge ornament, and we are just gonna draw something on it and decorate it in our own style. And actually I want to complain a bit what happened today. Today our school had a Christmas party for the students of the high school, and I was really equally determined to go here. I prepared everything. I prepared outfit, I prepared mask because it's gonna be a masquerade ball or something. And you know what? All of my classmates prohibited and rejected to that. That's why our class teacher said that if nobody wants to, we will not go. Like, that's why everything that I have done was just for nothing. So, and one extra DIY that I would like to share, that is, I was not recording it at all, but I made a cat standing in my art school. I was neglecting to do that project because I was going to a lot of professionals and a lot of doctors this month. Because of my health conditions, I do not want to talk about that right now here. But due to that, I was really skipping art school, and I didn't have enough time to make it. Also, then I was going home, I was neglecting that because I also had a lot of homework to do and projects to make and videos to record. That's why I just was obliged to do that in one day. And the idea just came to my mind because actually the first concept was completely different. So this is all, guys. I guess I should take something. I hope that you liked this video, that you liked how I did my DIYs, and that you upped your festive Christmas mood. If it was so, I would like to read your comments below, or maybe read some of your suggestions. They will really help me in developing my channel as well. That's it. I'm wishing you only good in this year, and I think that actually this video is gonna be uploaded after New Year, because right now I'm recording another one, because right now I'm editing another one video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good New Year, and probably we are gonna see each other in the new 2026. What Coco is going to kiss you.